Hey all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. If you have been watching my channel, I've been posting all my shopping hauls from Germany, and today this video is more about the luxury makeup products what I've got from Germany. So there are different stores where I've seen, like the first one was Douglas, where they had branded makeup like Too Faced, Urban Decay, and Anastasia Beauty, Zoeva, and couple of other brands. And also they have them stores, but the drugstore one I've already made another video. I'm not sure if it's already up. If it's up, I'll link somewhere here. If it's not, you can just stay tuned and watch it. So that all has all the drugstore makeup and skincare what I bought, but this is only dedicated for the luxury brands. And actually I made sure that there's not much of price difference compared to if you buy these from India or if you buy from here, but I made sure I was in store only when they had offers on specific products I've picked up, so I could save little bit on that. And also I've bought few which I've always wanted, and just to make sure it's authentic, because when you're in India, if you buy from a seller or reseller, you're not even sure it's original or not, and you have to wait for a couple of weeks. And so if I didn't pick much, but I actually splurged a little bit. So the first ever my luxury makeup palette would be this one, which is Urban Decay. This is XX Vice limited reloaded version. I really love the packaging. The first time when I visited the store, there were so many Urban Decay palettes. I really loved all of them, and they were so expensive, so I couldn't buy any of the other ones, but this was in major discount, so I've got this one. You can see this is so nice. The packaging is nice, and it says Urban Decay here. You have to press it to open this one. You have a huge mirror quality brush, and these are the shades we have. I don't remember the price. I'll try to put everything down, but these are the shades. I actually loved another palette, but they didn't had offers, and I thought it was too much expensive. Instead of buying that, I can buy something like Zoeva palettes, instead of one Urban Decay I can get 3 palettes. Trust me, it was so expensive. So I thought maybe I can actually get this one for my collection. I'm not doing swatches because I'll do a dedicated video, maybe try a look using this palette, and then I'll film it. So I'm not swatching anything now. And also the next one I have with me are from Too Faced. Yeah, I've got one for me and one for my sister. So there were so many Too Faced palettes. It's not all the new collections, but I had to go to I have to travel a lot to get this palette, because it was not in the store in the mall where my hotel is, but I had to travel long to main store and get this one. So this is the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and let me open that. All these colors like a chocolate. Then you have this teeny mirror, these shades. I thought my sister will really like this one, but yeah, I will also use it. I'll not swatch because I just tried this light. So I'll not swatch any of these because I'm giving to my sister. So this is, it smells like chocolate. Next one I've bought for myself is this peaches. I love peaches, and this is Sweet Peach Too Faced palette. Smells like peaches, and has all these shades, gorgeous shades. So cute, isn't it? It's all peaches, and we have all these gorgeous shades. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with any of these, but they're so nice. I'm so excited to try these, and they're all peachy color. And you also get a card in like this, which actually shows you have to apply peaches, but not real peaches, I guess. But yeah, it smells like though. But I really love these colors. This is really nice. And ta-da! The next one I've got is this Zoeva palette. This is actually, you have 3 palettes in it, box like this, and then you have to open it. Then you have 3 palettes. These were I thought instead of one Urban Decay or one Too Faced, I thought I'll buy this one. So 3, I actually like these 2 ones, which are caramel melange cocoa blend and blank fusion. So you have these 3 palettes. The first one is blank fusion caramel melange cocoa blend. Let me show you one by one. The packaging is nice. So you slide in, then you have this palette, and this is a cocoa blend palette. So this is the first palette I have. It's really nice. The shades are nice. I'll do a full review, so I'm not swatching any of these today, but you can see the colors are so nice. It's like you can actually create a nice look. You have also dark shade, you have like green, you also have like, you know, matte shades here, so you can, you know, 4 matte shades, and yeah, I think you can get good looks. I'm not a pro in makeup, but I can try learn. Yeah. And the second one I have is this caramel melange. Their boxes are nice. This is more like, you know, subtle colors. It's not like too dark, but it's like, you know, if you want that daily look, or you can make a good look with this smoked color. This one, and also this one looks good on Indian skin tone. Next one. And the next one is blank fusion. I'm not a big fan of this one, but I've not tried, so maybe it has like little yellow, silver, grey color. Not that good colors, but yeah, I think the silver one should be nice. These ones, let me see if they're pigmented. Yeah, they are. Can you see this? They're so pigmented. Try this last color. Yeah, these are pigmented. Let me swatch that for you. Yeah, they are pigmented. They're nicely pigmented. This is what I've got from Zoeva. And then I have a contour palette which I've got from Body Shop. This is a contour palette. I actually liked one of the blushes and highlighters, so I bought this one. You can define here. You can use it as contouring, and this is a bronzing shade. This is the blush. This is the highlighter. I really like the blush. Let me show you that. I really like the blush, the highlighter. And then I've got this Douglas My Glow palette. It's not a high-end makeup, but Douglas has their own range of makeup as well. So I got this My Glow palette, which is face and cheek highlighters. It doesn't have a, it has a mirror, small mirror, but yeah, these are the face and cheek highlighters. Got Real Technique brush set. There were so many Real Technique brushes. I've never had a Real Technique brush, so I've got these brushes. You have this multitask set. You have like, you know, a multitask face brush, and this is a cheek brush, and then you have an eye brush. So these are all multitasking brushes, so you can use this for like, you know, powder, bronzer, or contouring. And then you can use this one as applying a blush, and then also highlighting and contouring. And this one for eye brush, you can blend it on the crease, highlight on the brow bone, and smudge along the lash line. That's what it says. And also it comes with a panoramic case, which you can use it to stand by. You can actually put this like this. So they are so soft, actually they're really soft. You can see they're really soft, so it's very, very nice and soft. This one I've got is a Zoeva 15 brush set plus clutch. I'm so happy for this one. 15 brushes here. Got this. Also I've got 2 of the eye brushes from Body Shop. So I really like them. They're so soft and so smooth. I thought this will be very good eye brush. And this is actually, okay, it doesn't say anything, but this is the crease eyeshadow brush, and this is a smudging brush if you want to apply on the crease. It's also nice, but this is very nice, the blending one. I really like this. You can actually blend your eyeshadow very well. And this is very nice wooden. And also I've got one from the brand called Ebeline. they have a cap that's cute. So this is the brush. This is a fluffy blending brush. So these are the 3 brushes I've got. And yeah, that's all what I've got from the luxury makeup makeup. And yeah, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. You have to hit that like button. If you're not my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free, and I'll be so happy. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.